the basics. Before I teach you anything, you have to ask yourself some questions. When was the last time that you got such an amazing Christmas present from a man that it took your breath away? Where is that incredible Valentine's Day present that all the girls would envy if you showed it on Facebook? Can you upload a picture from your last vacation to Instagram that didn't cost you a penny? You don't want to hear excuses about how your boyfriend's company would not let him take a vacation. And don't try to avoid the questions with the "only feelings count" crap. Let's be honest. You invest your time, energy, and love, and at the end, you draw the short straw. If you posted on Facebook what you got from the guys in your last few relationships, everybody would laugh at you. But let me go even further. Just count all the free sex with those guys who turned out to be jerks. It seems that men didn't value you ever in your life. If you don't know how to fix this, then just keep telling yourself that all guys are scum. But if you don't face reality, your relationships will never work out. Why is it that you always have a guy from the movies who is a perfect match for you? While your man can't decide if his work or his friends are more important than you. You are sexy, your personality is awesome, and you have a heart of gold. Why don't you have a guy who treats you like it? Look around on the street or online. Why are there other women who are not even close to as good as you, but still have a handsome and powerful man who pampers them? In a restaurant, can you spot couples like that? Or on a tropical island? They will stand out from the crowd. There are men out there who spoil their woman rotten, and they are way above the average. Once you find one like this, you won't even bother looking at losers anymore. Undoubtedly, you deserve one of these because you are a princess, and you want to become a better woman. But this doesn't mean that you are treated like royalty. When you see some couples who made it, don't you feel a little bitter? You can say, "My time will come," but it doesn't matter. You still feel that it isn't fair. Honestly, what do you think when you see a couple coming out of a shop with their arms full of bags? Would you assume that the guy is a John because the girl only puts out for his pocketbook? A luxury whore and her client? You'd be thinking, that is too high of a cost, selling your soul. You'd rather go to McDonald's with a